Hey, what's up, guys? So today I traded actually a number of stocks. Let's see, I'll just start with BTNX. So BTNX, I saw that it dropped, popped back up, went down, held this level, started to go up, went down, made a higher low. So I went in small size. Looks like there's 200 shares. It popped, hit this level, and I started to scale out. The reason for that is level 2 wasn't looking too optimistic, and this stock was pretty much down like all day. If we look at the 5 minute, started up here pre-market and then it just like dropped. So to me, this may be just some minor pullbacks or whatnot. So I just got out. Thankfully, I did, because after that it just dropped again. It actually broke this low of the day at the time. I went all the way down to here and set a new low. So that is what it is. So that's BTNX. Just reading the tape on that one. And then I traded MRNA. I think so. I took it on the short side, and then I had to pretty much just cover it. So it popped on me and then it just got up because I saw that it was holding this level and I thought it was going to break when it went back up. And so I thought, because the stock was down all day, I thought it was going to do kind of like what BTNX did. So I took it on the short side, it popped on me, so I got out. And then afterwards, I actually made some of my losses back when it continued to go up, hit sort of this SMA and struggled there for a bit. So what I did was then I took it on the short side, and when it dropped right down to this level, which was the level, as you can see here, and then also here, is sort of a level that provided some minor resistance or whatnot. So I just scaled out of this, and then it just took off to the moon after that. So that was my trade on MRNA. I made back some of my loss, my initial loss from here, and then with that short there. So I'm still negative on MRNA. Anyway, so NVAX was another loser for me. What I did was the stock went down all the way here, and then it started to pop up. So at this level, this is a good level of support up here, as exemplified by it holding this level before breaking down. So now that it's about to break through that, I'm hoping that that was a level of support as well. So I went in long. It did pop up, and then I got out because this is the level of resistance. It did go above that. I did, do anything, and then on the way down, I don't know why I went short. It was stupid, because this obviously was a level of support. So now a level of resistance, which also is a level of support now. So I should have actually went long, and this is exactly what it did. This was a level of support. It kept this level and then popped up, so I got out. So I lost money on NVAX. So this is just like not being able to read the chart correctly. This is just stupidity on my part. So I deserve the money that I lost. And then final trade, a big winner for me was SPCE. So this stock dropped. I noticed that there's this double bottom level here where it popped. So that's when I started to scale in. I entered, and then as it dropped, I bought some more. So on the way down to here, that's when I added a big chunk of my my shares is down here when it sort of stabilized on the tape, and then it started to bounce back up. On the way up, I started to scale out. So here I sold. It looks like Christmas tree is what happens is it was basically ricocheting off of this range here. So it popped up, I sold some, and then it looks like it was going down, I sold some more, and then it looks like it was holding. So I added, popped up again, so I scaled out. It went down, I added back what I scaled out, it popped up, I got out, and then I got my final piece here, because as it ricochets, it's not going to stay like this forever. So my fear was that it would drop. Actually, it did drop. It actually just went through the roof, but that was fine. I made my money here. Don't want to overtrade it anyway. You never know. Just be on the safe side, because they can always go through the floor as opposed to going through the moon. So that were my trades. This is my big winner of the day, simply because the share size that I took on this and so forth. But anyway, had a decent day, and yeah, that's it.